They're going to get the rain they need, and yeah, I remember that event from last year. It is a beautiful sight when they do pop. Speaking of popping, boy, the showers and storms came to us this afternoon like forecasted, and we've had a little bit of reports of some wind damage earlier this afternoon in Durham. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get some reports in southwestern Wake County because there was an intense storm that's going on right now. It's not as strong as it was. Let's get right to that storm because that's the one warning we have. It's really two of them together, but think of it as one big one for Wake County. It is till 5:30. Apex Fuquay Arena in Holly Springs under the gun. And I showed you at the top of the newscast, the intense purple at one point was trying to show 34 inches an hour of rain if it kept going. Obviously, it doesn't and it wouldn't. It's now, the peak is about 5 inches an hour, which is still very, very hard rain falling, and that's picking up in that area right there east of Apex. So when we divide this, look at this storm really close, you can see the heaviest rain east of Apex downtown proper, but right on the 64 Route 1 split, and this rain is moving toward 440 and maybe the PNC Arena, and where you're going to see those tailgaters out for the fireworks are going to get pounded with that rain. It's a slow mover to the north. As we look at it in 3 dimensions, which is really cool because what you'll see is 40,000 feet. And look how it was up to 40, and then you can see that it is weakening. So that tells me the storm is weakening, and hopefully they won't have to continue the severe thunderstorm warning after 5:30 because that storm will still be around, but still frequent lightning. But when this was coming down, see that purple really hard, that probably produced some downburst wind damage, which we're going to go out and see. We've got the weather beast heading in that area, and you can see the radar area moving toward the northeast, toward Raleigh. We'll go back to 2 dimensions now and bring you up to south part of Virginia and northern North Carolina. This produced some severe thunderstorm warnings earlier. What it's producing now is a ton of lightning and heavy downpours as it continues to wash itself out slowly but surely. Then we get down to the triangle again, that warning we're talking about. But if you're watching us around Zebulon, you have some storms up right south of Lewisburg and back through Rocky Mount, and also up by Chapel Hill, some rain moving your way in Pittsboro. That's drifting toward downtown Durham, where I know there's a USA baseball game tonight, and they're going to see that. This is a brand new flood warning map for Cumberland County, because I did want to zoom into Cumberland County. You see all the rain that's falling right now, right over Fayetteville, Spring Lake, and Hope Mills. So flooding is occurring at this time with those heavy downpours rating at about 3 to 4 inches an hour if it continues to rain. So you want to make sure you play it safe there. Watch for low-lying areas. I'm sure Cross Creek down in Fayetteville might be going over its banks right now, causing that flood warning. So that is a flash flood warning for Cumberland County that just came in as I was speaking. I heard it beeping in our other room. You look at the big picture, a couple scattered storms out in the mountains, a couple at the beach, but right now the bullseye's over us with a trough of low pressure. That will slowly, hopefully, drift a little more to the east, and we'll be able to take some of the rain chances down as we get ready for the fireworks tonight. However, storms will still be possible at 9 o'clock, and we're going to repeat this pattern of scattered showers and storms mainly in the afternoon and evening hours through Monday, but temperatures won't be as hot as they were today or yesterday. So your forecast for tomorrow, I'm going to keep it in the upper 80s, but once again, not much going on in the morning, but look for a pretty good chance of scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. It'll feel like the mid-90s, but the actual air temperature will be 90 in Fayetteville, 89 in Sanford, 88 in Wilson, 89 in Smithfield, 88 in Raleigh, 88 in Durham, and 87 in Roxborough. So there are the storms right now with that trough of low pressure. By 9 o'clock, not as strong, but maybe a little wetness out there, and then we're dry in the morning, and then we'll fire them back up in the afternoon hours tomorrow with scattered showers and storms again. So 72 tonight, afternoon storms. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, highs upper 80s to near 90. We try to dry it out, maybe a shower storm on Tuesday, and then partly cloudy skies with that typical summertime slight chance, and back up to seasonable normals of about 90 degrees next Thursday.
All right, Bill, thanks so much.
All right.